forgot my speech. First and foremost, I wanted to thank, of course, my leaders of Legendary Circle!
Bukas na yan.
Yes!
H1.
I dedicate this award to you guys. Because this award wouldn't be possible if not because of you. I'm really proud of all your achievements, of your hard work, of your dedication, of your commitment. And there are leaders who went all the way from Japan, from Dubai, from Thailand, from Europe. Oh my God! I'm really happy that you guys are here, especially those leaders who are here in the Philippines. Yeah! And I really thank you guys for this. Second, I want to thank, of course, our CEO, of course, the founder of Economy, Hassan Maoud. Because this $15,000 per month wouldn't be possible because of you. So thank you. Another, I want to thank you, of course, our corporate executives for doing your best to really make the system really work for all of us. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Next that I want to thank is, of course, our icons! All the way from their countries. Imagine they travel like 15, 20, 30 hours just to witness this milestone. Imagine that. Thank you so much. And of course, I want to thank my family, my brother who became the horse earlier, Arlen, of course, my parents for all the support, and of course, my husband who is fighting for Olympics. Yeah! He's not here right now, but soon. The next award that we will be, of course, claiming will be Hergé's award also. So I want to thank you. I wouldn't be able to get this if not because of a supportive husband, of course. And lastly, I wanted to thank the Lord, of course. God made this possible because if it's just me, hindi kaya eh. Hindi ko kaya to eh. Hindi ko to makukuha. Hindi ko makukuha ng Icon 15 kung ako lang. Si Lord yun eh, di ba? Our only source, our main source is of course our God. Right? Yeah. So let me just tell you a story, a macro story about myself. So my life was hard. Just to tell you guys. You can sit down, guys. You can sit down. My life was hard. My father died when I was at 9 years old. And then my mom has no choice but to leave us to our, of course, family with aunts. Without them knowing that I was being sexually abused. Not just by one uncle, but two uncles. Repeatedly. This is something that I do not share online. But I want to share this because what you just heard earlier, the song, Fight Song. Because I've been fighting all my life. And it started when I was young. I became super rebellious. I was expelled twice when I was in high school. I failed accountancy when I was in college. But my mom is super persistent, so of course, hinayaan niya pa rin ako makagraduate. Pero naglayas pa rin ako, pasaway ako eh. Layas ako, tumira ako, alam na ko saan. Doon, sa mga squatter. Kasi feeling ko wala akong kwenta eh. Little did I know, na kapag pala sexually abused ka, meron ka psychological issue na kakaharapin without you knowing it. And then, buti na lang, have my parents, a very supportive parents, who's been very persistent in helping me to really achieve what I need to achieve. So she made me graduate, and I graduated in investment management. After graduation, I entered banking, and then I became a bank manager at the age of 26. I was really working hard, of course, because ang hirap ng buhay eh. Money was not easy during that time. Hindi ko na bibili lahat ng gusto ko. Eh, ang arte ko, gusto ko nag-make up eh. Diba? Kasi hindi ko mabili yung make-up, hindi ko mabili yung gusto kong damit. It was hard. So I worked hard, I worked my ass off, and I was able to save enough. And then I started a business, a garments business, and then my business partner, she swindled me. She took 2.8 million from me, and I was drowned in debt. 5 million. I don't even know where to get the 5 million pesos. Right after that, I still worked hard, and I was able to, of course, recover from it. And then I adopted a child. So I once had a child. I took care of him for 2 years, and he was taken away from me. It was painful. So may mga anak dyan, alam niyo yan. 2 taon ko inalagaan niya. It was taken away from me. I thought I lost everything. My life was empty. And then I started TikTok. That's when I started TikTok and doing content every single day. Why? Because I want to divert my attention from the pain that I've been feeling from that moment. And I don't even know how I became viral in TikTok. And now I have over 500,000 followers on TikTok. Who would have thought? If it is just me, hindi ko kaya yun eh. So it was all coming from the Lord. Diba? It was His work. And then it was so painful. Hindi ko maalala, hindi ko na ma-describe kung gaano kasakit na mawalan ng anak. Kahit adopted yung masakit yun, diba? And then, I recovered from it. I was able to earn again. And then, I resigned from the bank. I saved enough for my early retirement. And then, after that, I trusted someone. I thought I was speaking to this person, and then I was again scammed with 2.5 million pesos. I was super stupid. I know. Like everyone seeing me, they're telling me, actually, na-scam ng 2.5 million, di ba? Like I feel like everyone's staring at me because it went viral. I was scammed with 2.5 million. Imagine, I resigned. I don't have a job. I don't have a salary. I don't have an income. And my savings was washed out. It's painful. I was at the bottom rung. It was super painful, guys. And then, month after, I was sitting where you guys are sitting. I was watching those people who are like receiving these awards, just like you. They were so happy, they were giggling, they were being awarded. Me, I was devastated during that time. But no one knows it. I was just watching them, and they were super happy. And I was really like, wow, I want that. So, after that, I signed up for $178. Right that moment, during the pre-launching of Economy, I signed up. I signed up anyway. It's just $178, so I have nothing to lose because I lost everything anyway. And then, I went home back. 2 days after, I met with Sunny and the team. they really changed my life. They passed me the vision. I met them also Hassan during that time, remember? Yeah. They passed the vision to me, which is to impact 10,000 people. And that's the time I realized that maybe this is my purpose. Because I was expectant during that time. After my breakdown, I'm gonna be having my breakthrough. I don't know when, but I believe magkakaroon ako ng breakthrough sa buhay ko. And that's the time I met economy. When I was going back home, when I was driving, drive ako. I connected my Spotify on my car. And then I turned the volume into the maximum level. And I rolled down the window and started shouting. Wala na akong pake kung ano sabihin ng sakyan sa katabi ko, but I started shouting during that night. Because I was singing at the top of my lungs. You know what I was singing during that time? Never Say Never of Justin Bieber. Who knows Justin Bieber's song? You know that? Let me tell you the lyrics. Do you have, can I ask the sound system to play the first part? Okay. Go. I never thought that I could walk through fire. Right. No, never thought that I could take the burn. Can you go? I'm strong enough to climb the highest higher. That's not one. Until I reach the point of no return. So turning back when your heart's under attack. Gotta give everything I have. It's my destiny. I will never say never. Come on, guys, sing! I will fight you forever. Whenever you knock me down, I will stay on the ground. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, up, up. Never say never. Have you heard that song? It's really nice, right? And it was a song. If you're gonna be asking me what exactly I was imagining during that time that I was singing this song, I was imagining that I am singing this song in front of many people. So you see, guys. If you can visualize, if you can imagine, you can turn it to reality. I was just imagining it. I was driving back home. I was visualizing that I am singing this song to everyone, so people will see my story. And right now, look at me. I'm standing here in front of you talking to a lot of people. So you always have to remember that. What your mind can conceive, what your mind can believe, your mind can achieve. Remember that. So guys, thank you so much. And I hope you will become icons!
Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned on. So right now I'll be strong. I'll blow my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes, 'cause I've still got a lot of fight left in me. know I've still got a lot of fire left in me.